Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I respect the caretaker of Zainul Hasan Genggong Islamic Education Institute, Kiai Haji Hasan Mutawakil Allah SHMM, The Excellency Dr. Abdul Aziz Wahab BAMAG as Rector of Zainul Hasan Genggong Islamic University. Well, before I continue my presentation today, let me introduce myself. My name is Firda Hariro. I'm student of English Education Department of Zainul Hasan Genggong Islamic University. Well, today I'm going to explain about my article, the title Utilization of Role-Playing Method in Creating Effective and Interesting English Learning for Students of Class 10 at Mas Zainul Hasan Satu Genggong. The table of content of my research: introduction, problem statement, methodology, literature review, research aim, results, and last conclusion. Introduction of the study: English as an international language plays an important role in education, communication, and business. However, in the learning process, many students face challenges in learning complex grammar, extensive vocabulary, and pronunciation that often does not match in writing. This challenge makes students feel less confident and curriculum to learn, which cause the classroom atmosphere to become passive. Problem statement. There is the problem statement in the research. Number 1, difficulty in learning English linked to the passive classes. Number 2, students feel less confident and unmotivated. Methodology. This study used a qualitative research method with a classroom action research or PTK approach involving 22 grade 10 students at Mas Zainul Hasan Satu Genggong. The study was conducted in 4 stages: planning, implementation, observation, and reflection. Data collection was carried out through observation and in-depth interview with students. This observation is carried out when learning is taking place. Use the role-playing method. And before in-depth interview carried out, the researcher prepared to make a question that will to ask with students. Data analysis study use qualitative descriptive of the result. Literature review. There are 3 of literature review about the role playing from several opinions. The first, Wulandari. The role playing method is how to master learning material through developing student imagination and appreciation of the material. Number 2, Saputri and Yamin. The role-playing method has an advantage that includes inviting students to join in honing their own potential, giving students the freedom to make decisions quickly and accurately. A game can provide an opportunity for teachers to facilitate the achievement of learning goals, so that creating quality education. And last, Maulana and Lubis. According to another opinion of role-playing method is one of the form of drama. In this method, students asked to act out drama spontaneously to demonstrate their roles in interaction. Research aim. The research aim of this research to describe the application of the role-playing methods in creating effective and interesting English learning for students of class 10 at Mas Zainul Hasan Satu Genggong. The results of the study showed that the role-playing methods made students more effective, communicative, and enthusiastic in learning. Students felt more confident in speaking and reading in English. In addition, these methods also encourage group collaboration and improved critical thinking skills. Overall, learning becomes more interactive, fun, and effective in improving English language skill. The application of these methods bring many benefits such as improving communication skill, developing vocabulary and grammar mastery, and helping children understand the social context in conversation. These methods also make learning more inclusive by adjusting to various children learning style as well as providing feedback that helps children correct their mistakes in real time. Conclusion. The conclusion of the study concludes that the role-playing method is an effective way to create interesting and meaningful English learning for children of class 10 at SMA Zainul Hasan Satugenggong. In addition, these methods also improve children reading and speaking skill and makes them more enthusiastic and happy to learn English. Okay, I think it's enough about my presentation today about the utilization of role-playing methods in creating effective and interesting English learning for children of 10th class at SMA Zainul Hasan Satugenggong. Thanks for your attention, and the last I say, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.